Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Costco card to our Apple Wallet. So first we're going to go to our wallet. So once we're there, we're going to click on the plus button on the top right corner. So then we're going to search for a Costco card. So when it pops up, we can click on it. If not, we can also go to a debit or credit card option, as you can see, and click on continue. Then you can scan the Costco card over our iPhone. Or we could also add our card details, our name, as well as our card number. So once we insert all of that, we're set to go. I hope this video was a big help to you guys. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.